Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Today is the next day. Today is Sunday. And when I woke up in the morning, I got a beautiful smell. And of course, when I got up and came to the dining table, I saw a wonderful breakfast. My mom prepared me a superb breakfast. Wait, I'll show you. See, guys, she made chicken egg roll for us. I know, guys, I love egg roll and especially chicken egg roll. See, I'm so hungry and the smell, it's like teasing me. So I'll start eating. It's very fast.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. So I wake up in the morning and my mom made me a special. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Today my mom made me a special breakfast, chicken egg roll, and I'm so hungry to eat it. So let's start.
How's it?
It's delicious.
I also want to try it. Wait, guys. I have my roll here. See, guys. So I'm gonna take my first bite. I have to tell my mom thanks. This is wonderful. I have some extra cucumbers with me. And you know, guys, what? This is made up of yesterday's leftover chicken. You know, yesterday night we ate chicken and I also ate a burger. So that chicken were some leftovers. So she made this with that. So good, right? And this tastes wonderful. I know what you're thinking. You also want the recipe, right? Yeah, I know. Well, she's gonna give you the recipe. So just after this video, maybe we'll post that video. She also took a recipe video. So keep following us and soon we'll post that video. For now, it's bye-bye. Once again, Ashir. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Ma salama.